Alright guys, we had a little weather come through last night. Wasn't nothing severe, but shows we got there's the 3/4 mark, so it'll be 2 7/8. Almost 3 inches of rain. That's the most rain we've had in months upon months upon months. So 2 7/8. We're gonna empty it, just in case it wants to rain a little bit more. We put it out in the middle of the open field out here, under the power line, so that there would be no obstruction of anything blowing into it, you know. So 2 7/8. Let's see what 2 7/8 inches of water done to the pond here at Pecan Grove. I know. Y'all gotta wait. You gotta give me a minute. Hang on. Come on, Miss Dolly. Come on here, Miss Dolly. Come on, you gonna run, you gonna beat me in here. Do you do it every time? You get all excited. I know. Duke gonna come in there and try to take her feed. I'm getting to the rest of y'all. Hang on. Come on, Hadassah. Come on, Hadassah. Come on here, Hadassah. Shashan. Come here, girl.
Uh-oh, Dolly decided to swap. Duke said he was in her way, so.
Well, the rest of y'all are gonna have to eat right here already.
A little bit.
He gets scared when he hears that feed hitting his draw. He's little and by himself. I gotta get him.
Get him a little place to eat, huh?
Yeah, I mean,
We got some rain.
we got some rain.
Y'all look a little wet.
Yeah, y'all got kind of wet. All of them. Let me throw this right here. All right. Check it out. I believe it came up a good bit.
It's starting to rain again. I don't know that it's up a lot.
Well, that barrel, I don't see the barrel. I had a barrel out there for catfish to raise in, and it was out of the water.
Yeah, it was.
So I see it right on the edge of the water there. So it came up about, like it came up about 12 to 14 inches.
That's not too bad, I guess.
No, that's not too bad. It's not muddy. Yeah, it came up a good 12. We're still about 4 foot low according to the culverts right there. So we came up about 12, 14 inches. Well, after the severe weather, all we had to really do with the cloth here was the ends came loose on it and it fell down. We just had to lay the board back up on them, pick them back up. It didn't really damage anything there. The cabbage underneath them looks really good. The carrots look really good. The onions fared well.
Garlic.
And the garlic,
Looks
yeah,
awesome.
it looks awesome. The only thing we're having problems with is down the hill down there, our greens. It just hasn't, we haven't got out of the 50s in like several weeks, and they just will not start growing.
They're just sitting there.
Yeah, they're just like maybe an inch or two tall, and they're just sitting there. They will not grow in this cold climate.